Hello, lead coders. Welcome to my new video where I'm going to talk about best time to buy and sell stock part 2. Funny thing is, I couldn't able to find anything called part 1, but regardless, let's move on. So, core of the matter is all you need to do is you have prices of stock on the daily basis, and all you need to do is you need to maximize the profit. For that, you need to buy it in lower price and sell it in higher price. Initially, when I read this problem with the explanation, I got little uh, confused on how to solve this problem, because the way they have explained is by, for example, for this particular one, that the stock price on day one was 7 and then 1 and then increased to 5 and then again reduced to 3 and then increase back to 6 and then 4, and the output is 7. It says buy on a day 2, which is 1, which is lower price, very low price, and sell on day 3. So 1 2 3 means 5, so profit is equal to 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4, which is good. And then again we are buying it on 4th day and selling on 5th day, but to get the profit of 6 minus 3 equal to 3. So the way I thought, okay, maybe I need to find first to least stock price and then maximum stock price, but then I saw the maximum is already in the beginning. So since it is at the higher price, you already cannot buy it. So all sorts of thoughts have came. I got debated for like maybe 5, 10, 15 minutes. Then I start thinking about the pattern, like what exactly is the pattern, and is there really we need to find the least and max and again least and then something max to find the profit. So the way stock market goes is whenever the price of any stock goes down, usually people like to buy that stock if it has a potential to bounce back, right? So same thing. So here is the pattern, like, so here from 7 to 1 means there is a reduction of the price, so let's buy it. And then again there is a bump in the price, so let's sell it. And again there is from the 5 to 3 there is a drop of the price, so there's a good chance that again it might bounce back, so again let's buy it. And then next day, yes, it bounced back to 6, so again let's try to sell it back to get some profit. And this is the last day, so we are limited to the only maybe in this one like 6 days or 5 days of trading, not more than that, so we might end up ignoring the last one. And plus it's even though it's the price of got reduced a bit. So similarly, I looked into this 1 2 3 4 5 as well, 7 6 4 3 1. So for that I got some diagram for you guys, so let's take a look. So for taking this example, let's see price. If you compare with this and this, I mean first index and zeroth index, there is a price reduction, so there is a negative. So 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 6, so the price got reduced, so it's a good sign of buying this. Similarly, between this and this there is a increase of the price, so there is a difference of 4, so it's a sign of selling it. And similarly there is a reduction of the price, so it's a sign of buying it again. And then it's a positive difference between 6 and minus 3, 3 is again positive, so it's a sign of selling it. Let's go to the second example. which was 1 2 3 4 5. So from here to here there is a price increase of $1, and again there is a price increase of $1. So every day there is an increment of price. So it means every day let's buy it and sell it again. Let's buy this thing again and sell it on the next day and next day. Or maybe all we can do is buy it on this day and sell it on the last day. But to figure it out it is difficult. So I took a pattern like I'll be doing kind of daily trading. So I might end up doing this, getting the same, because if you take a look, 5 minus 1 is 4, and this is also 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. So I took that approach. I felt that is much more easier than figuring out the highest and lowest, or maybe second highest, second lowest, third highest, fourth lowest, and so on, because you never know what is the actual size of the array is and how much we need to do permutation combination. And taking this, as you see, there is always reduction of the price. So regardless of what price point you buy, you always lose. So it's better to avoid this stock. So the code is very simple after I figured out uh, the logic and trick behind it. So let's take a look. So all I'm doing is I'm starting the sum with a 0, and then I'm starting the loop from 1 so that I can compare the price. So price between the day 0 or day 1 to with the day 2, right? So if there is a, if the previous price is lower, means there is increase in the price, so it's a time to sell it with a profit. So here we are trying to figure out the difference, and we are adding to the sum, so to add the profit. Else we don't do much anything. This is the only time when we maximize the profit by finding the difference between the previous stock and the previous stock price and this stock price, and then we are done, and then we'll add the to the sum, and that's how we'll get the final output. So if you look at my submission, it's like 1 ms faster than everybody else, so 92.59, and this is a memory usage. Yeah, thank you.